Tunnels and bridges are important for improving connectivity and promoting development. There are many tunnels which are engineering marvels across the world. Today we'll talk about Rohtang Tunnel, which was renamed as Atal Tunnel. This is located in India and is the longest tunnel in the world at the height of about 10,000 feet above the sea level. It is located on the Pir Panjal range and intends to provide all-weather connectivity to the region. Earlier, these parts were inaccessible for 6 months from November to April, when the Rohtang Pass was covered with snow and ice. The people living north of this pass had to live in harsh conditions or migrate away from their homes to southern regions till the snow melted. Even the army troops which were camped there, of course, they could not move out of that place because camping there was important for our security of our country. They had to stockpile supplies for survival for 6 months, and in case of any emergency, only helicopters could reach these places. Atal Tunnel is the first tunnel in India to have an emergency rescue tunnel or escape tunnel in case of emergencies. The length of this tunnel is 8.8 kilometers and its width is 10.5 meters. It is a double lane horseshoe shaped single tube tunnel. The suggestion for constructing such a tunnel was first made as early as 1860 by Moravian Mission, which is a Christian missionary. They had their base in Lahore and wanted to have all-weather connectivity or access to these areas. However, it did not materialize. But after independence, Jawaharlal Nehru suggested that a ropeway be constructed across this area. Even that did not take any shape. And in 1983, our then Prime Minister Indira Gandhi proposed that a tunnel be constructed across this place and a survey was done for the same. Even that did not progress any further. But in June 2002, Atal Bihari Vajpayee, on the request of his dear friend Arjun Gopal, who is from Lahore, suggested that a feasibility study be made. He announced constructing a tunnel across that place as a promise to his dear friend. The budget for the project was placed at 500 crores. The year of completion of this tunnel was placed at 2007. RITS was given the responsibility of doing a feasibility study. However, in 2007, the date was again extended to 2014, and an Australian company, SMEC, was given the tender to complete this project. The Border Roads Organization gave the site clearance, and in September 2009, again tenders were called for the construction of the tunnel. And this time, Afcons, a construction company of Shaponji Palongji Group, and an Australian company, Strabag, was given the tender, and the budget allocated was 950 crores. Interestingly, when the tunnel construction was completed, 3,200 crores were spent, which is over 3 times the initial value estimated. The foundation stone of the tunnel was laid by Mrs. Sonia Gandhi, who was the National Advisory Board and UPA chairperson at that time. The foundation stone was laid on 28 June 2010 in the Solang Valley. This tunnel is strategically important because it is located at the border area and it is very important for deploying troops at a faster rate across the valley. Moreover, construction of this tunnel will improve the tourism of that area. As of now, Himachal Pradesh is well known for skiing and other adventure tourism activities. But because of the inaccessibility of this area for 6 months, tourism was not well developed in this area. Now that possibility has also improved a lot. This tunnel was inaugurated by our Prime Minister Narendra Modi on 3rd October 2020. And interestingly, on that day, Atal Bihari Vajpayee's friend Arjun Ram Gopal's son, Ramdev Kapoor, was also one among the 15 elderly persons who traveled in the first bus across this route, across this tunnel. This tunnel has high-tech systems inbuilt within it. It has CCTV at regular intervals. It has an air quality monitoring system at every 1 kilometer, a telephone connection at every 150 meters, a fire hydrant mechanism at every 60 meters, an auto incident detection system at every 250 meters. Thus, this tunnel is a pride of our nation and will in future improve the security and enhance development in the region.